Welcome to HOS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating Arduino based health parameters monitoring system. So in this project we are going to monitor the health parameters like pressure, heartbeat and temperature and the steps counting through Bluetooth, and these sensors are interfaced to the Arduino Uno board. So let us see the interfacing sections. Like here we are using the steps counting sensor ADXL and the BMP180. It will provide the temperature as well as pressure, and a pulse sensor provide the heartbeat, and these four parameters will be sent to the mobile phone through Bluetooth module HC05. So coming to the interfacing connections, ADXL and BMP are parallelly interfaced to A4 A5, that is SDA and SCL. And coming to the pulse sensor, interface at the A0 pin of the Uno board, and a Bluetooth module 8 and 9 pins as a TX and receiving pins of the Uno board. And this board is the kind of breadboard properties, like we are going to provide the 5 volt power supply to these different kinds of modules. So from this board we are going to give the input voltage of 5 volts at the section, and parallelly we are distributing the voltage to the different modules. So before switching on the sketch, we need to install one app, that is a Bluetooth app in an Android phone, and then give the power supply. So there is a fast light blinking on the Bluetooth module, and now go to Bluetooth settings. Initially we need to pair from here, so it will ask for the password, and the password should be 1234. And after pairing from the settings, then only open the Bluetooth app and go to options and connect to HC05, and then press restart, so that we can see the welcome to the project, and steps count is initially 0. Just I am making the steps, so you can see the increasing, the steps count is getting increasing. And we need to show the calculating, we need to place the fingerprints on this pulsating sensor. So it will show you the calculating heart rate. So heart rate, temperature and pressure will be displayed on the phone. So in this manner we are going to count the steps as well as pulse sensor, temperature and pressure. So this will be monitored continuously on this Android phone. Thank you for watching demo.